Hi, my name is Jessica McCann. I am doing a presentation on Rohypnol. It's also known as the date rape drug. So it's also called flurazepam. Belongs to the class of drug known as benzodiazepines. So like Valium and Xanax. It is not legal in the United States, but it is legal in other countries. It's a treatment for insomnia, used as a sedative and as a pre-surgery anesthetic. That is a picture of an example of what they could look like. It is tasteless and odorless, and it dissolves easily in carbonated beverages. That's why they use it for the date rape drug. Once they put it in the drink, then it dilutes immediately. Even though the Rohypnol is usually small, it can impair someone for 8 to 12 hours. It is usually taken orally, although there are reports that it can be ground up and snorted. Also, it can be injected with needles. And it can cause profound anterograde amnesia. So that means that the individuals who have taken it do not remember events under the influence of the drugs. That's why sometimes it is usually used in sexual assault cases. The adverse effects associated with the pill include decreased blood pressure, drowsiness, visual disturbances, dizziness, confusion, gastrointestinal disturbances, and urinary retention. So the later effects include decreased blood pressure, slurred speech, impaired judgment, and trouble walking. Sometimes it can be confused a little bit when someone has had too much alcohol. And it can also cause headaches, nightmares, tremors, muscle pain, and blackouts. Usually that is along the same effects as the long-term effects, which is in the little diagram. So the psychological impact. It can result in physical dependence, so it can be addictive, and there is an appearance of a withdrawal after the drug is discontinued. It impairs cognitive and psychomotor functions, such as reaction time and driving skills. And also when this drug is combined with alcohol, there's particular concerns because both affect the central nervous system. They're depressants and will increase each other's toxicity. Withdrawal can also occur. It can cause seizures, behavioral changes, anxiety, insomnia. And then some adverse reactions can cause, like insomnia, and that can occur only a few days after the use. And then some other psychological impacts could be if they were sexually assaulted while slipped the date rape drug. It can cause some things like PTSD. If they were affected in that way. Some other psychological impacts. So if you keep using the Rohypnol, its increased intolerance will require the user to take larger doses to achieve the same effects. And then again, it can cause an addiction. Withdrawal symptoms can range from mild to severe, and it includes headache, muscle pain, confusion, anxiety, restlessness, along with a few others. And then some users combine it with other substances such as alcohol or cocaine. They can be extremely dangerous and potentially lethal when they are combined because it affects the central nervous systems as a depressant, slow the breathing and heart rate, and then affect the respiratory system and put you into respiratory distress. So some psychological impacts. So it's gained popularity among the United States youth as a cheap means of intoxication, and then subsequently used or has become a focus of numerous criminal investigations. Again, it is illegal. In those sexual assaults, male subjects are alleged to slip the tablet into a woman's drink and then proceed to sexually abuse the sedated